Hi, this is Angela Moorad at OMazing Kids AAC Consulting. Did you know that you can add a keyboard page to any communication book in GoTalk Now? And so here I have a core board. I'm in edit mode. I'm going to tap on this plus. I'm going to tap on keyboard page. And then this is what comes up. And I'm going to go into player mode. And so as I type, you can see that it is predicting what I'm going to say. But the word prediction within here is a little on the limited side. Plus, that's a lot of button options there that I couldn't find a way to choose how many I wanted shown. So instead, what I prefer to do is to use a keyboard extension app. But in order for that to work as I want it to, I first need to go over into settings. And I'm going to swipe down and I'm going to toggle right here on this disable prediction on keyboard page so I get rid of what's built in. I'm going to go back over into player and go over here, and then you do a long press down here on this globe button. So long press, and I like this keyboard extension app from AssistiveWare called Keedogo Plus. It has built-in word prediction that's very nice. If you don't need word prediction but want a kid-friendly keyboard, you can use just the plain Keedogo. But Keedogo Plus is what I'm going to show here. And then whenever I tap over on the 1, 2, 3 button, I go over here into my settings, and it gives me its own customization options. So I can pick my theme. So there's colorful, there's a standard. I like this neutral just for a little bit more contrast. Strawberry, purple rain, or marine. And then you have options for your font. So lots of choices here for font. I tend to use this Futura font because I like how bold it is. You have an option between ABC or QWERTY. I usually almost always use QWERTY because that's what kids are going to be using later on. You need to leave it at the small bar height for it not to interfere with where you can see where you're typing. You can choose to have the vowels be colored or not. You can choose to have it be dynamic case or always capital letters. I toggled off auto capitalization. You can have auto spacing or not, word prediction or not, but I always have word prediction on if I'm using this keyboard app. And then what's really cool is you have a maximum number of suggestions, so you can choose how many that you want. You can have those ordered alphabetically or by likelihood. And you can choose the type of word prediction. And it learns from what you type if you want it to. So I have all of those things set. And so now I'm going to go back over and do my swipe down to go into player mode and show you what this looks like. This is the Keedogo keyboard extension app, and it's learned those things.
This is the Keedogo keyboard extension app.
because I've typed them in here. So I just wanted to show you guys another alternative. I'll give you a quick peek at some of my other ones. I've used IzzyBoard in here. I've used, you can use, no, SuperKeys is not a good alternative. It's too big. It hides where you're typing. I've used this low vision keyboard some. There's even ones for doodling. The main ones that I use on here are either the standard one that comes. I've used SwiftKey. And I've used either Keedogo Plus or Keedogo are my main ones that I like in here. Anyway, I hope this gives you some ideas of customization options